Alright, hey, it's Mustang Stampede. Going to do the full install video now. I've already made one clip for a short, but this is the buyer's product trim spool holder for your utility trailer, okay? I run this Husqvarna Titanium X Pro line. Alright, I have several spools of this still that I haven't even started on using. So basically, it's going to be like a universal kit for a utility trailer or enclosed trailer. So you're going to get a lot of different parts. Well, I should say bolts, lag bolts, etc. for wood. If you're just going to drill into your utility trailer, okay, you're going to need these shorter bolts. Right, if you have tubing trailer, they have a longer bolt with a smooth top shank or whatever before you get to your threads. And then you're going to need the locking nut and then your 4 washers, okay? One bracket has the 2 holes here. You can see the 2 holes, and then this is adjustable piece. You can slide this in and out before you tighten it down to however you like it. All right, you're going to get one piece of thread all on this side with this washer that I put on there. They've done something at the factory here to make that not come undone, which is fine because it doesn't need to come undone. Then you'll put another wing nut on the other side with the rubber protective cap on it. Now you don't scratch yourself, then you just take that cap off and that wing nut, and you can change out your spool. So you need a 3/8 inch drill bit. If you're drilling into metal, I suggest using a very small bit first to get the hole started, then switch to your desired depth. I think I'm going to mount this one right here on the front of the trailer, and I may mount one on the other side over there as well. That way I don't have to really worry about which side of the trailer I'm on to grab string. So let me get these holes drilled. Give me 1 second. All right, so like I said, I went ahead and drilled the small pilot hole with a smaller drill bit. Now I'll be switching to a 3/8 inch drill bit. These are the 5X Life Milwaukee bits, titanium shockwave bits. I've had pretty good success with them. Just like everything else, if you're using it on metal, right, and you're not lubing it with some penetrating oil or whatever you want to do, you will jack your drill bits up. I don't really care. They're not super expensive, and I don't use them very much on things that would require replacement after I've used them. So they can handle this mild still and still do work later. All right, let's get this hole opened back up. All right, now you can see that I put the 2 small bolts from the bag in here with washers, and then I put the washer and the locking nuts on this side. It's 9/16, so you need 2 9/16 inch wrenches. And I'm gonna snug these down. Right before I get too tight, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my spool to make sure I don't have a whole bunch of slop in the spool, but it will still spin freely. So let's get this tightened up. All right, so that's what this looks like here, right? We got the free spinning spool. All right, we got the little line lock right there. It's not too shabby, right? So it's the buyer's product trim spool, like your line spool holder. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put a link for the Milwaukee drill bits. They make pretty quick work of this mild steel. So now, instead of having my spool just thrown in the back of the truck, I'll have it right here on the trailer. I actually do really like this. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going nowhere. I think I will mount one on the other corner as well. I also purchased a new trimmer holder for the trailer here. It's it's like 2 posts with a locking stuff. I didn't go a jungle gym or anything like that, but I'll do an install video for that as well, and then I'll let you guys check that out and leave links for that as well. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching.